Welcome to the Introduction to Artificial Intelligence in Java tutorial. In this series, we'll unravel the mysteries of artificial intelligence and learn how to implement core concepts using Java. Whether you're a beginner or have some programming experience, this tutorial is designed for you. Before diving into code, let's clarify what artificial intelligence, or AI, really means. At its core, AI is the ability of a system to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. This includes problem-solving, learning, understanding natural language, and more. In the context of Java, we'll be approaching several fundamental techniques. Let's start by setting up our environment. Make sure you have the latest version of Java installed on your machine. You can download it from the official Oracle website. Also, ensure you have an IDE, such as IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, to write your code efficiently. Now that we're set up, let's look at an overview of the types of AI we'll explore: rule-based systems, machine learning, and natural language processing. We'll begin with rule-based systems, as they form the foundation of many AI applications. A rule-based AI system operates on a set of predefined rules. These rules are logical statements that dictate the actions of the system. Let's create a simple rule-based expert system that can recommend a type of animal based on the user's input. In this code, we utilize a scanner to take user input about their desired animal. Based on the input, we recommend an animal with predefined messages using a switch statement. This is a basic example of a rule-based system. Next, let's delve into machine learning, which is a more dynamic and powerful approach in AI. Machine learning involves training algorithms to learn from and make predictions on data. We'll create a simple program that uses the Weka library to classify data. Weka is a popular tool for machine learning written in Java. To use the Weka library, make sure to add its JR files to your project's build path. This snippet demonstrates how to load a dataset, train a J48 decision tree classifier, and classify a new instance based on predefined attributes. To run this successfully, you need a.r file, which is a format Weka supports for datasets. You can find many sample datasets online to use. Now let's briefly touch on natural language processing, or NLP. NLP enables machines to understand and interpret human language. In Java, we can utilize the Stanford NLP library for performing various tasks, such as tokenization, parsing, and sentiment analysis. To run this code, make sure to download the Stanford NLP library and include it in your project. This example initializes a pipeline to process text and identify named entities. You'll see how the library tokenizes the sentence and extracts useful information from it, such as nouns and verbs. As we progress, it's essential to understand the underlying concepts of AI algorithms. Understanding topics like supervised versus unsupervised learning, neural networks, and reinforcement learning will help you implement more advanced AI solutions. Keep in mind that AI is an expansive field with continuous development. One common AI challenge is to create a neural network from scratch. For this, we can use libraries like DL4J, which is a deep learning framework for Java. Let's create a simple feed-forward neural network to classify data. In this snippet, we define a simple neural network configuration using the DL4J library. You'll need to handle data preparation and model training to fully implement this network. This example sets up a structure to learn from input features and classify them into 3 categories. As we wrap up our exploration of artificial intelligence in Java, remember that practice is key. Start building your projects, explore datasets, implement various algorithms, and continuously learn. Join communities and participate in discussions to enhance your knowledge. Thank you for joining this tutorial on Introduction to Artificial Intelligence in Java. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay curious and keep coding.